It is a gorgeous day in Hoschton, Georgia, and today I am just relaxing and enjoying the breeze coming off this lake at the ultimate 55 and older community here in Georgia, Cresswind at Twin Lakes. Now, the reason why I'm here is because I'm checking on the status of one of my clients' houses that is being built. But I thought, you know what, I'm going to do another video here. And I've done several videos at Cresswinds where I toured the amenities and different model houses, but honestly, I never really felt like I was truly able to capture the beauty of this community. So this time I brought my brand new drone right here. And I just thought, you know what? I am going to use this little guy to do my best to show you from an aerial view just how beautiful it is here. So if you are thinking about retiring in Georgia and you're considering living in a 55 and older community, you are definitely not going to want to miss this video. So let's get started. Hi, my name is Tanya Cristiano with eXp Realty, and I have a lot of new construction experience and a great relationship with this builder, which I like to leverage for my clients, not only to get you the best possible deal, but also to make this process as smooth as possible for you. Now, this builder, along with most new construction builders here in Georgia, really value the buyer-agent relationship. So our commissions are completely covered by the builders. Having me help you through this process is at no cost to you. So if you're moving to Georgia and have any interest in building a new construction home, whether it be with this builder or another builder, I want to be your realtor. So please do not hesitate to reach out to me. All of my contact information is going to be linked in the description below. So without further ado, let's go fly. If you love touring luxury homes and getting to see the latest design trends in new construction, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting weekly videos of the most beautiful homes from all over Georgia. So what did you think about this community? It's beautiful, right? I mean, Hoschton, Georgia must be at a high elevation because there's just always such a nice breeze up here, and I just love it. There's just something so relaxing being surrounded by nature like this. There's no shortage of trees and a lush, beautiful green landscape. And then being able to look right over water, and there's walking trails that you can do in the morning. Oh, it's so good for your soul. I love it. Cresswind is all about enjoying nature and staying active and having fun. So if you are ready to retire and start living your best retirement life, enjoying every minute of every day, well, then this community is a great option for you. And to be honest, it's only one of Georgia's many beautiful communities that we have here to choose from. And I'd love to be the one to help you find the one that's perfect for you. So that's a wrap for this community tour. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you're thinking about making the move to Georgia, or if you're interested in one of these beautiful 55 and older communities, I want to be your realtor and help you make a smooth transition to the home of your dreams. Please reach out to me. All of my contact information is going to be linked in the description below. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye, y'all.